Today we'll see how robotic surgery goes on in the operation theatre. On the day of surgery, first anesthesia is given to the patient. Then some ports are inserted on the body of the patient. During this time, the arms of the robot are being draped by the sister or the OT technician. Draping means sterile drapes on these arms, which are ultimately going to perform the surgery. After the draping, patient is given the appropriate position that is needed for that particular surgery. Following this, the robot is brought near the body of the patient. After this, the arms of the robot are brought near the port and they are attached to the ports. This process is called docking. Once the arms are attached to these ports, instruments are inserted to these ports inside the body of the patient, through which the surgeon is going to operate. After this entire process of docking, the surgeon now sits on the surgeon console. This is the surgeon console in which the surgeon sees and performs the entire surgery. The surgeon console has some hand controllers. These are the hand controllers. This is the patient cart, that is the actual robot with 4 arms which are inside the body of the patient. These arms are controlled by the surgeon who is sitting on the surgeon console. So it is the surgeon ultimately who is performing the surgery and the robot does not have a memory of its own. This is the vision cart which has a TV which enables everyone in the operation theatre to see what is going on inside the body of the patient. These arms of the robot that you are able to see have more than 360-degree rotation ability, which is not even present in human hand. One of these arms also carries a camera which gives a 10 times magnified vision to the surgeon whose head is inside the surgeon console. All these things make surgery very much easier and gives advantages like less blood loss and less scarring to the patient. After the entire surgery is done, the arms are detached from the body of the patient. This process is called undocking. The patient is weaned out of anesthesia.